He lets an arrow fly. In an instant there is a loud cry. Ah! The lights flash on and off, and there are sound effects of thunder. Here, children, imagine the stage in which there is an arrow flying, and as soon as this happens, there is a loud cry. There is a loud cry of pain. Okay, and you can see the lights are going on and off. It's flashing on and off, and there is a sound of thunder. Okay, lightning and thunder. Dasharatha says, I heard a cry. It sounded like a human cry. Oh God, what have I done? Now, as soon as Dasharatha hears this sound of a cry, he understood that he has not hit any animal, but he has hit a human. Dasharatha starts running and the lights go off. The lights come on and a young man is lying on the forest floor with an empty pot next to him. Now you can see the stage set in this manner. Dasharatha is running and the lights go off, and suddenly when the lights come back again, a young man is lying on the floor, okay, and there is an empty pot lying next to him. Dasharatha says, it is a boy, I have killed him. Now he realized that instead of killing a deer, he has killed a boy. The boy says, O mighty prince, you wanted to show off your hunting skills, but you have taken my life. You have killed Shravana. My blind parents are waiting for me eagerly to bring them water to drink. Now he says to the prince that you wanted to show off your talent, but you have taken my life, and my blind parents are waiting for me because I came here to take water for them, and they are thirsty, they are waiting for me. Dasharatha says, what can I do for you? I am ready to give my life so that you can live. Now he was very regretful, Dasharatha. He said, if you want, I'll give you my life, but what should I do? He was very repentful of what he had done. Shravana says, it's too late, vain and foolish prince. I do not mind dying, but my blind parents will be waiting for me in the forest. Search them out, give them the water, and tell them that you have killed their only son. Now, Shravana says, it's too late to repent because I am already about to die. You do one thing, you just go to my parents and give them the water and tell them that you have killed me, so that they no longer wait for me. The boy then dies, and the prince lifts the pot and walks off the stage. The lights go off. The lights come on, and an old couple is sitting on the stage, staring with blind eyes. The prince enters and hears them talking. Now, children, the boy is dead, and the prince lifts the pot and walks away from the stage. Now the lights again go off. The lights are off, and then when again the lights come, the old couple, the old parents of Shravana, they are seen sitting on the stage, and they are staring with blind eyes. You can imagine how blind people look at things. Okay, it seems they are staring, but they actually cannot see anything. Okay, the prince enters and he hears them talking. The couple is talking something with each other, and the prince is listening to them quietly. Old man, why is our son taking so long? He knows we cannot live without him. Could some animal have killed him? Now both the parents are worried, and the father is saying, the old man is saying that why Shravana is taking so long. He already knows that we cannot live without him, and they are fearing that some animal has killed him.